Why do astronauts hear strange noises in space, even when there's no sound? In space, sound can't travel like it does on Earth. So what are those knocks, clicks, and whispers astronauts report? Most of them come from the spacecraft itself. Metal expands and contracts as it moves between extreme heat and freezing cold. Some sounds are vibrations traveling through solid materials, reaching the astronauts through the walls. Still, imagine floating in complete silence, then hearing something tap from the darkness. Follow for more mysterious space facts. This is our Mystery Facts, where curiosity never sleeps. And just like that, now you know.